Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect fudgy brownies at home. Let's start with the ingredients. 200 grams dark chocolate, 100 grams butter, 180 grams powdered white sugar, 80 grams all-purpose flour, 35 grams cocoa powder, 3 medium-sized eggs, and vanilla extract. First, I'm melting the dark chocolate and butter using the double boiler method. I have boiled water on the stove and placed a small heat-proof bowl on water. I'm stirring gently until the butter and dark chocolate melt completely and turn smooth and glossy. Once melted, I'll keep this aside to cool slightly. In another bowl, I'm adding 3 eggs and lightly mixing them. And then I'm adding powdered sugar little by little and mixing gently. Once all the sugar is added, I'm mixing gently until the mixture looks smooth and slightly thick. And now I'll add the melted chocolate mixture into this mixture. I'm mixing everything gently until the batter looks smooth and shiny. And then I'm adding dry ingredients. Cocoa powder and flour mixture little by little and mixing gently. Once you don't see any dry flour, stop mixing. Overmixing at this stage will make the brownies dry. Now that everything is well mixed, vanilla essence is added at the very end. I'm giving it a gentle final mix so the flavor spreads evenly. And the brownie batter is now ready for baking. I'm pouring the batter into a lined 8-inch baking pan. This goes into a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Every oven is different, so start checking at 25 minutes. If it's done, insert a toothpick in the center. It should come out with moist crumbs. Once baked, let the brownies cool completely in the pan. This step is very important because brownies continue to set as they cool. After cooling, lift them out and cut into neat squares. You can see the crackly top in the dense center. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.